One of the brokers you work with has chosen Pallet Connect to simplify and streamline their operations. As an affiliate, using the system helps ensure efficient order management, smooth deliveries, and faster payments. In this video, we'll walk you through how to log in for the first time, access your assigned orders, and complete an order with all required documentation. When your company is added as an affiliate by the broker, you'll receive a welcome email with a temporary password. Click the link provided in the email to log in for the first time. Enter your email and temporary password. You'll be prompted to create a new password for security. Once updated, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your affiliate portal dashboard. From here, you can see your transaction history and manage assigned orders and pickups. The transaction history graph gives you a quick view of your order activity over time. Here, you can see a summary of items currently on order and any pending pickup or drop-off requests. Below, you'll find a list of all your assigned orders and pickup requests, including customer names, reference numbers, quantities, and expected dates. Each time a new order or pickup request is assigned to your company, you'll receive an email notification with all relevant details and attached documents. You can also access relevant documentation directly from the affiliate portal. To do so, navigate to the order in question and click on it to open the preview. Here, you'll see key details such as the expected date and time, location, items being delivered, and quantity. To access key documents, click on Menu, then select the document you need. You can download important files such as the delivery slip and the load sheet. Once the delivery is completed, you'll need to update the order status and upload the required documentation. This may include the signed delivery slip, a bill of lading, BOL, if one was used, or any other proof of delivery requested by the broker. To report the order as completed, navigate to the order preview and click Complete in the lower right corner. The next step is to enter any required documentation number. If there were discrepancies in the delivered quantity, you can adjust the number of pallets. Keep in mind that you can only reduce the quantity, not increase it. Once everything is correct, click Next. Attach any relevant files, such as signed delivery slips or other required documents. If fewer pallets were delivered than expected, make sure to enter a reason in the Notes section. Once done, click Next. Enter the name of the person completing the order and sign using your mouse or trackpad. Click Next. Now, enter the name of the person who received the pallets at the customer's location. A signature is not required. Once done, click Save. You have successfully completed the order and sent proof of delivery to the broker. By using the affiliate portal, you help prevent payment delays and ensure that all required documentation is submitted for the broker to process your payment smoothly and on time. If you want your drivers to complete deliveries on site, you can grant them direct access to the portal, allowing them to update order statuses, upload proof of delivery, and maintain accurate records in real time.